In this video, we're going to walk you through how to install Access Server on IBM Cloud. Access Server is a powerful VPN solution that you can deploy quickly, often within just a few minutes on IBM's cloud infrastructure. To help you through the process, there are step-by-step instructions available on the Access Server portal. Just log in, click Get Access Server, and then choose IBM Cloud. There's also a helpful video and a link that takes you directly to the detailed guide. Before you begin, you'll need to create an SSH key, which is required to launch and access your VPC instance. To do this, sign into your IBM Cloud account, expand the navigation menu, and go to Infrastructure. From there, click on Compute, then SSH keys. Click Create. Fill out your details such as region, name, resource group, and SSH key type. For this demo, we will use an existing public key, so let's upload it. And now finish by clicking Create again. Once your SSH key is ready, it's time to launch your VPC. Start by finding the Access Server option in the IBM Cloud catalog. On the Product Details page, choose the latest version, and fill in the necessary setup fields like name, location, resource group, and tags. You'll also need to enter some input variables such as the instance profile, region, and the name of the SSH key you just created. Lastly, add a prefix that will be used for naming your resources. After everything is filled out, accept the license agreement and click Install. This part can take a few minutes. We are going to fast forward this part. Once that's done, click Generate Plan, which will take a minute or two. And then Apply Plan. Wait until the status shows as active. It might take a few minutes again, so be patient. Now let's check that your instance was created successfully. From the menu, go to Infrastructure, then choose Compute, and then Virtual Server Instances. And here you should see the instance you just set up. Grab its public IP address so you can start an SSH session. The specific SSH command is available in the step-by-step instructions we mentioned earlier. You'll need both the public IP and the path to your SSH key to connect via terminal. Let me replace the IP address and the path to the SSH key, and here we go. Once logged in, you can check the server version. Then run this command to find the temporary admin password. This password is required to log into the admin web UI. Let me copy it and paste it in the terminal. And here it is. This is the temporary password for us to log into the admin UI. To access the admin web UI, open your browser and go to the HTTPS. IP address, port 943/admin. Access Server's web interface comes with a self-signed certificate. This allows you to sign into the admin web UI right away. Since it's self-signed, it triggers an expected warning. We recommend adding your own SSL certificate in the admin web UI to resolve this. By clicking through to the site, you can continue to the web interface. At the login screen, enter the username, which is OpenVPN, and the temporary password, which we got from our console. The first time you access the admin web UI, you'll need to accept the end user license agreement. And that's it, you're now logged in. For more details on configuring Access Server, be sure to check out our other instructional videos, or visit our knowledge base and documentation at openvpn.net.